Hey Cancer, grab your coffee because what I am about to share with you today is something that has been building in the energy for a while now, and honestly, when I pulled these cards I had to sit back and just process everything that came through. This reading is about someone whose heart is literally finding its way back to you, and the universe is orchestrating something really beautiful here. So I shuffled the deck with your energy, Cancer, and let me tell you, the cards that came out were so telling. I am going to walk you through exactly what I saw, because this is not just about someone missing you on a surface level. This goes so much deeper than that. The first card that came through is the Ten of Cups, and when I saw this, I actually paused because this card represents emotional fulfillment and the kind of happiness that runs deep. This person is realizing that what they had with you was not just another connection, it was the connection. They are looking at their current situation, and nothing compares to what you two shared. The energy here is showing me that this person has been in a state of searching. Maybe they have been trying to fill the void with other people or distractions, but nothing hits the same way you did. They are coming to terms with the fact that true happiness, that soul-level contentment they experienced, was with you. What I am picking up is that this person thought they could find something better, or different, but life has a funny way of showing us what we had when we lose it. They are sitting with their memories of you and realizing those moments were not ordinary. The laughter, the deep conversations, the way you understood them without words, all of that is replaying in their mind constantly. They miss your energy specifically, not just the relationship, but who they were when they were with you. You brought out a version of them that felt authentic and light, and they have not felt that way since you parted ways. The universe is highlighting something really important here, Cancer. This person is not just nostalgic, they are genuinely recognizing your value in a way they could not before. Sometimes people need to walk away to understand what they had, and this is exactly what is happening. They are having those 3 a.m. moments where they are thinking about you, wondering what you are doing, if you are happy, if you have moved on. The Ten of Cups is telling me their heart is full of regret mixed with hope, because they want that emotional fulfillment back with you. Now the second card I pulled is Justice, and this is where things get interesting. Justice is about karma, balance, and things coming full circle. This person wronged you in some way, Cancer. Maybe they did not appreciate you enough. Maybe they chose someone else, or maybe they just were not ready for what you offered. But the scales are balancing now. What they put out is coming back to them, and they are feeling the weight of their choices. The energy around Justice is showing me that this person has been going through their own lessons. Life has been teaching them about consequences, and they are understanding now why things fell apart. They might have experienced similar treatment from others that mirrors how they treated you, and it clicked for them. They finally get it. They see how special you are, how patient you were, how much you gave, and they are sitting with the realization that they fumbled something precious. Justice also speaks to divine timing and fairness. The universe has been working behind the scenes to bring both of you to a place where reconnection is possible, if that is what is meant to be. This person knows they need to make amends. They need to come correct this time. No more games, no more half efforts. If they come back, and the cards are suggesting they will, they need to come with accountability and genuine change. The universe is not letting them slide back into your life with the same old patterns. What I love about Justice here is that it protects you, Cancer. It ensures that if this person returns, they return worthy of your energy. You are not going to accept breadcrumbs anymore, and they know it. They have to level up to match where you are now. The power dynamic has shifted, and you hold the cards this time. They are aware that you have grown, that you have healed, and that you are not the same person who would tolerate less than you deserve. Moving into the third card, which is the Page of Pentacles, and this is bringing a message about new beginnings in the material realm. This person wants to build something real with you. They are not coming back with empty words. They are thinking about tangible steps, actual commitment, and creating a stable foundation with you. The Page of Pentacles represents someone who is willing to learn, to start fresh, and to put in the work. Asterisk, I am seeing that this person has been doing some serious self-reflection about what they want in life, and you keep showing up as the answer. They are looking at their future, and they want you in it. Not on the sidelines, but as a central part of their life plan. They might be thinking about conversations they want to have with you about building something together, whether that is a relationship with clear intentions, or even discussing long-term possibilities like living together or other serious commitments. The page energy is youthful and eager. It shows someone who is approaching this with fresh eyes and genuine enthusiasm. They want to prove themselves to you, Cancer. They want to show you through actions, not just words, that they have changed and that they are serious this time. This card often appears when someone is ready to invest time, energy, and resources into making something work. They are done playing around. What stands out to me is that the Page of Pentacles is also about patience and steady progress. This person understands they cannot rush back into your life. They need to earn your trust again, step by step. They are willing to do that. They are thinking about the small gestures, the consistent efforts, and the daily choices that build a solid relationship. This is not about grand romantic gestures that fade away. This is about showing up reliably and creating security with you. The fourth card that appeared is the Six of Swords in Cancer. This confirms movement. This person is actively transitioning away from whatever situation they were in and heading towards you. The Six of Swords represents leaving troubled waters behind and moving towards calmer, more peaceful territory. They are done with the chaos, the confusion, and the instability that kept them away from you. I am picking up that this person has been in a mental and emotional space that was not conducive to healthy love. Maybe they were dealing with their own issues, toxic patterns, or situations that clouded their judgment, but they are clearing that now. They are making conscious decisions to move away from what does not serve them, and towards what does, and that is you. They see you as their safe harbor. The calm after the storm. The journey shown in the Six of Swords is not instantaneous. It is a process. This person is actively working through things right now. They might be ending other connections, healing from past wounds, or simply getting their life together so they can come to you in a better state. They know they cannot show up the same way they did before. They need to arrive having done the internal work. What I really love about this card is that it promises progress, even if you have not heard from them yet. Know that behind the scenes they are moving in your direction. The swords represent thoughts and communication, so they are definitely thinking about reaching out. They are probably rehearsing what they want to say, how they want to approach you, and waiting for the right moment when they feel ready and worthy. The fifth card is the Two of Swords, and this is showing me the conflict happening within this person. They are stuck in a decision-making process, Cancer. Part of them is scared to reach out because they do not know how you will receive them. They are weighing their options, dealing with their pride, and trying to figure out the best approach. This card represents a stalemate in the mind. What I am sensing is that this person wants to come forward, but fear is holding them back. They are afraid of rejection, afraid of looking foolish, and afraid that maybe you have moved on and do not want to hear from them. They are in their head overthinking everything. Should they text you? Should they wait? What if you do not respond? What if you have someone new? All these questions are circling in their mind, creating paralysis. But here is the thing, Cancer. The Two of Swords cannot last forever. Eventually a decision has to be made. The blindfold has to come off and they have to face the truth. The energy suggests that external circumstances or internal pressure will force them to act. They cannot stay in this limbo indefinitely because the pull towards you is too strong. Their heart is pushing them to take the risk despite their fears. Asterisk thinking about timing, about whether it makes sense, and about what the consequences might be. But matters of the heart are not always rational, are they? Eventually their emotions will override their logical hesitation, and they will reach out. When they do, they will have thought it through, thoroughly so. Expect a meaningful conversation, not just a random hey text. The sixth card showing up is the Knight of Wands in Cancer. This is exciting because this knight does not hesitate for long. While the Two of Swords showed hesitation, the Knight of Wands represents the burst of courage and action that is coming. This person is going to make a bold move towards you. When they finally decide to act, they are going to come in hot with passion, enthusiasm, and directness. The Knight of Wands is all about forward momentum and taking risks for what you desire. This person has fire in their belly when it comes to you. Once they break through their mental barriers, they are going to pursue reconnection with intensity. They might show up unexpectedly, send you a heartfelt message, or make a grand gesture to get your attention. They are not going to tiptoe around this. They are going to be upfront about their feelings. What I am picking up is that when this energy hits, things are going to move fast. The Knight of Wands does not do slow and steady. He charges ahead with confidence and determination. This person will express themselves passionately. They will tell you exactly how they feel and what they want. There will be no ambiguity in their intentions. They are coming to sweep you off your feet if you allow them to. This knight also brings adventure and excitement. They want to create new experiences with you, to reignite that spark and to show you a good time. They remember the fun you had together and they want more of that. They are approaching this reconnection with optimism and the belief that you two can create something even better than before. Their energy will be infectious and hard to resist, Cancer. Now the seventh card is the Empress, and this is powerful because the Empress represents you, Cancer. You are in your divine feminine energy right now. You are abundant. You are glowing and you are thriving. This person is attracted to your energy like a moth to a flame, because you embody everything they desire. You represent fertility not just in the physical sense but fertility of ideas, creativity, love, and abundance. The Empress shows that you have been nurturing yourself, focusing on your own growth and creating a beautiful life independently. You are not sitting around waiting for anyone. You are blooming on your own, and that is what makes you irresistible. This person sees you as someone who has it all together, someone who radiates warmth and love, and someone who can create a nurturing partnership. What stands out about the Empress is the theme of worthiness and standards. You know your value now, Cancer. You have worked on yourself, you have healed, and you have raised your standards. You are not going to settle for anything less than you deserve. This person recognizes that, and they know they need to step up to match your energy. You are the prize, and they understand that now in a way they did not before. The Empress also speaks to creativity and manifestation. You have been manifesting your desires, focusing on what you want in life, and the universe is responding. You are magnetic right now, and people notice. this person included. They see how you have transformed, and they want to be part of your world again, but this time, they understand they need to contribute positively to your life, not take from it. Eighth card coming through is the Four of Swords, and this one is interesting because it represents rest and reflection. Before anything manifests physically, this person needs to complete their healing process. The Four of Swords is about taking time out to recuperate mentally and emotionally. They have been through their own battles, and they need this period of stillness to prepare for what is next. This card suggests that while everything I have described is true and building in the energy, there is still a period of pause happening. They are in a space of contemplation, processing their feelings and getting their thoughts organized. This is actually a good thing, Cancer, because it means when they do come forward, they will be coming from a place of clarity and peace, not from chaos or desperation. The Four of Swords also indicates that they might be dealing with exhaustion from their current life circumstances. Maybe they have been running on empty, dealing with stress, or just feeling drained from making wrong choices. They need to recharge before they can show up for you in the way you deserve. This period of rest is necessary for their transformation. For you, Cancer, the Four of Swords is a reminder to also take your time with this. Do not rush into anything just because someone comes back. Make sure you are ready to use this time to continue your own healing and reflection. When the time comes for reconnection, both of you will be in a much better space to create something healthy and lasting. Patience is key here. The ninth card is the Star in Cancer. I got chills when this card appeared because the star represents hope, healing, and divine intervention. This is the universe confirming that what is unfolding is part of a bigger plan. The star shines brightest after the darkest night, and it brings renewed faith in love and possibilities. This situation is meant to inspire both of you to believe in second chances and new beginnings. Asterisk. The star is telling you that healing is happening on both sides. You have been doing your work and they have been doing theirs. When you come together again, it will be from a place of wholeness, not brokenness. Two healed people create a completely different dynamic than two wounded people trying to fix each other. This is what the universe is orchestrating for you. What I love about the star is the element of destiny and divine timing. This card appears when the universe is directly involved in bringing people together. Your connection with this person is not random. It serves a higher purpose. Whether that purpose is a beautiful, lasting relationship or a lesson that propels you both forward, trust that it is divinely guided. The star also brings gifts and blessings. This reconnection, if it happens fully, will bring unexpected good things into your life. This person might come back with opportunities, support, or resources that benefit you. They want to add value to your life, not just emotionally but in practical ways too. The universe is ensuring that this connection elevates you, Cancer, not drains you. The final card that came through is the Three of Cups, and this is such a joyful way to end this reading because it represents celebration, community, and happy reunions. The Three of Cups often shows up when there's something to celebrate, when people come together in love, and when friendships and relationships are blessed by those around you. I am seeing that when you and this person reconnect, there will be genuine happiness surrounding it. Whether it is your friends celebrating with you, family being supportive, or just the universe showering blessings on your union, there is a sense of rightness to this. People will notice the positive change in you when this person is back in your life in a healthy way. The Three of Cups also speaks to emotional fulfillment through connection. This is not just about romantic love, it is about friendship, partnership, and building something that brings joy to both of your lives. You two have the potential to be not just lovers but best friends who genuinely enjoy each other's company and create beautiful memories together. What stands out about ending on the Three of Cups is the theme of celebration of life itself. After everything you have been through, Cancer, after the heartbreak and the healing, you deserve to experience pure joy and fun and love. This card promises that is coming. Whether with this person or someone even better, the universe is bringing celebration into your love life. So Cancer, let me bring this all together for you because the story these cards tell is really beautiful. Someone's heart is genuinely returning to you. They have been on a journey of realization, dealing with karma and understanding the value of what you shared. They miss your energy specifically, the way you made them feel, and the authentic connection you had. They are working through their fears and hesitations, but the pull towards you is undeniable. This person wants to build something real with you this time. They are done playing games and they understand they need to show up differently. They are moving away from their past situations and heading in your direction, but they are taking time to heal and prepare first so they can come correct. When they do make their move, it will be passionate, direct, and sincere. Meanwhile, you are in your power, Cancer, glowing in your Empress energy, and the universe is protecting you through all of this. You have standards now. You know your worth, and you are not accepting anything less than you deserve. The star is confirming this is all divinely guided, and when the timing is right, there will be reason to celebrate. My advice to you is to stay in your energy. Keep focusing on yourself and trust the universe's timing. Do not chase, do not settle, and do not compromise your peace for anyone. If this person is meant to be back in your life, they will show up worthy of you. If not, someone even better is coming because you are magnetic right now, and the universe is working in your favor. Whatever happens, know that you are Protected, you are loved by the universe and beautiful things are unfolding for you, Cancer. Stay open but stay wise. Trust your intuition and remember that you are the prize. Anyone who wants to be in your life needs to understand that and act accordingly. I hope this reading resonated with you, Cancer, and brought you some clarity and hope. Trust what is meant for you will find you, and what is not meant for you will fall away, making room for something better. You are exactly where you need to be. Thank you for being here and trusting me with your energy today. Sending you so much love and light.